How's it going, everyone? Today we're fishing the Yellow Medicine River in hopes of big fall fish here. For bait, we're using some pepperoni slices, and for a weight, I'm using a little 1 ounce split shot. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. I can see got one. Oh, that's a monster. That is a tank. That's a big one right there. Oh my gosh. That's a tank. Ooh. Dude, check out that fall fish. Absolute tank. Beautiful fall fish right here. First one of the day. Didn't take too long. Here he goes. Here he goes. Monster fall fish right there. Alright, I'm gonna cast it way back in there. Got him. That's a good creek chum. Not too shabby little guy. Oh, I didn't get him. That's a decent one. No! Came off. It's all good. Right in that deep pool. Getting bit. Right as I was about to go, I hit this monster creek chub, over 8 inches, just about 9. It was a monster, and he had a bite out of his tail. Anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure to like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're not already.